Easy, delicious homemade pickles in under an hour. Let's do it.
Okay, start by slicing your cucumbers into about 1/4 inch thick. You can peel them if you want. I did a rough peel, but it doesn't really matter. Then you're going to take your sterilized canning jars and add pickling salt, pickling spice, and sugar. If you don't like sweet pickles, then you can just skip the sugar. Then add your cucumber slices first. I filmed this out of order, so just ignore that. Then fill the jars halfway with white vinegar and fill them with half boiling water. Then cover with the lids, close them tightly, and you should feel the jars go ahead and seal. Then give the jars a good shake to mix everything together. Put them in the fridge for an hour, and then you have delicious homemade pickles.